Hi, welcome back to another Lita video. Today I am unboxing and reviewing the MAKARTT nail dust collector, and this one is the upgraded 60-watt nail dust collector. I'm extremely excited to finally have one. In the years that I have been doing nails, I have not owned one. So this is going to be a big change for me, and it's something that I really need. And if you guys do nails or do anything that has to do with a lot of particles in the air, you should definitely invest in this because it is extremely bad for your lungs and for people that suffer from allergies to just allow that stuff to, to get into your lungs. But before I keep talking, I'm actually pulling out, this particular machine has an attachment, and you will see later on in the video how I use that. But yeah, you should definitely invest in one of these. I don't know what took me so long. I should have invested in one a long time ago, and I just never got around to it. And now that I've been consistently doing my nails, I have decided to go ahead and invest in one. And honestly, I don't know why every time I forget. I was so used to doing my nails without it that you just forget, but you really have to look out for your health. And this is good for woodwork and stuff like that. Anything that you're filing, little projects that you're doing. But especially us nail techs. Oh, here I am showing you the size in comparison to my hands. I just wanted you to get a good idea. I do have to say that it feels extremely sturdy, and I love that. It comes with the maintenance instructions. It shows you the parts, the specifications. In here in this section, it kind of shows you what you could use it for, what it's good for. It's not only good for nail dust, but on the back, it shows you it shows you how to clean it, how to operate it, and also a Q&A, a question and answer section, which I thought was really cool because you don't usually see that. So there is a lot of information in this little pamphlet, useful information. Okay, so I like that. So I'm going to do a test as far as how loud it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and speak, even though I feel very sick right now. My throat's bothering me, but I love how this goes in and clicks in like that. It feels very secure. Yeah, and just, I don't know, overall it feels very, very sturdy, and I love that. So now I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to speak at the same level or same loudness basically. So I love how this clicks in. It's very secure and it feels very sturdy, and I love that. So yeah. So that was it. And it is to be expected that there is noise, but as you can see, the suction power is really good. I mean, you can see that it was making everything blow away. But yeah, I am really loving this right now. And I'm going to go ahead and use the drill so we can see. I'm going to try to get a different angle so you can see how the dust goes in, okay? Okay, so now that I've used it both ways, I just have to say that with the attachment, it's a little bit more of a focused suction. But other than that, I like them both. I just want to point out, look how clean my area is and the paper towel underneath the machine. I mean, I'm not used to that, so I was extremely impressed. And as you can see, all of the nail dust accumulated in the filter. And it wasn't like 100% perfect. I showed you that there were some particles, but it was very little. And in comparison, I mean, you guys should see how full I am of dust, and my nail station is of dust when I am done. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.